Welcome to Aquatics Live YouTube channel.
Okay guys, so this is a quick video on checking out how these wires work on here. And just a quick look at it here, I see, so the issue is that people are saying that this white wire is essentially useless, and the way it's set up, it pretty much is. If you look inside of here, the red and the white wires go in there onto the exact same spot, and there's nothing in here extra on the white wire to isolate it from the red wire. And that's the issue. If you want to use this white wire, it needs to have some kind of electrical isolation from the red wire. And to do this, it's pretty easy. We just need to add a diode in here. So let me just show you, I just kind of drew it out right on here. Essentially putting in a diode. Here's the part number of the one that I'm going to use for this test here. You hook up the diode, you put it the one end on the positive for that, so that would be the white wire you're going to connect up to here. Actually, I'm going to desolder it, and I'll just solder the diode in right where the white wire is. When I get done fixing this anyway. Right now I'm just going to use jumpers. And then you'll see the line on the diodes, and that line goes towards the negative or the load. Plenty of voltage. We're in the 20 something volts. What I'm going to do is use a capacitor, and I might use like a fan or a light or something. First, we're just going to fix that wire, and I'm going to show you essentially with some jumpers how to get that done. So right here I got a red wire hooked up to the like in the drawing here, got the red wire hooked up to the black side of this diode. If you can see the red, or there's the line on there. There's the black side. Okay, so that goes over here. And we're going to run that to the white wire here. And I got a capacitor set up here. So that's pretty much how I'm going to do it on my bike, is I'll have this capacitor instead of a battery. I don't want to have a battery to keep charged up all the time. And then the ground, so we got the positive going through the diode, coming around, and to the positive on this capacitor. This line on here is the negative. So that negative, I'm going to send over to the case, so it'd be kind of like it's on the connected to the bicycle ground. And then we're going to crank it over again, and we're just going to observe that we still have a waveform. We'll keep getting the pulses that we need to fire off the coil, or for the spark plug. We hook these two wires together. Here, I'll just clip it to here. Now you'll get to see on the screen here, you'll see that if you just hooked up something directly without that diode, you have no signal for spark. A very tiny wave on the bottom that you'd lose your spark right there. So this diode is the fix for that white wire.